What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we may have one of the coolest tools that landed on this channel. Yes, I know I reviewed a lot of products, but this one here by far, I'm assuming, all right, this is going to be innovative. All right, don't mark my words because we don't know if it works yet. I've been having bad luck lately. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. This is a cordless pressure washing gun. All right, cordless. You do not need to get electricity. You do not need to get your garden hose and stuff like that. You will need a bucket of water and a charged battery. Take it out the box. One last thing, it is made in China, you guys. So if you don't like stuff that's made in China, get rid of everything in your house because I bet you it's made in China. All right, done with that disclaimer. Let's go ahead and see what this thing looked like, you guys. I'm excited. I'm excited. I want to test this thing out. This pressure washer gun is equipped with 652 psi at 1 gallons per minute. Feels nice. Is there a safety on here? Yep. Okay, so there is a safety on here, you guys. That is good because with that much pressure, you can do some damage. You know, kids get a hold of it or something like that. Now, the question is, do we have enough wire? Well, water line. But it's portable, so you basically could carry the bucket with you wherever you go. Right? Oh, instructions. It's in color. Instead of you having that quick connect system, you can turn it to whatever degrees that you want it to spray out. You do have an O-ring on here. It's black, so you barely could see it. I'm gonna put that in, make sure it goes in there. I don't know if you got a twist or not. I think you just push in. Okay, yeah, you push in and twist, and then it's locked. This is amazing. I know I'm a weirdo, you guys. You hook this orange connector up, and they give you two of them. So I guess if one fails, you have another one. All right, that's better. All right, you hook that up, push your line on. Let me take this off first. Then we push our line on. Oh, I'm supposed to leave this on here like that. All right, push the line on. Now twist tight. Now we're going to do the same thing with this side. All right, and this is your filter, you guys. So if you have dirt in your water, you can have a nice filter for it. I wish they gave you two of these. I don't know why they gave you two of these. All right, so we do have everything on our parts list. This is for when you use soap. We're not doing that. We're just doing regular water, and we're going to test out the pressure on this. All right, we're going to place the filter inside. Add this battery on, 3 amp battery, 21 volts. I'm going to take it off of the safety. All right, so the safety is right here, and I'm holding it to see if something comes out. All right, that was the first one. Let me see, 40 degrees. Wow, this is amazing, you guys. 25, 15, 0. Take a look. Wow, you guys. Wow. Hi. Hi. And now I gotta clean up the whole cement. All right, but that's pretty good, you guys. All right, everyone, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay tuned. I will be doing some cool videos, short videos about this product because this product is amazing. All right. So yeah, that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.